Okay, this process, this type of electricity is been given a name.
Halogen connected carbon sp3, then it's connected to benzene. See all of you, halogen connected. What is this carbon hybridization? Full single bond sp3, see then a benzene ring.
Denominator poles shouldn't be included in the denominator poles. That means the denominator, these -1 and -5 should never be included in the solution.
Homocircle caudal fin. It's giving two equal lobes. But in case of cartilage fishes, look at here, one big lobe is there, one small lobe is there. You cannot cut into two equal half this fin.
Brilliant cutter.
Hi everyone.
Hi, good evening all Brilliantites. So we are here with the last lap of revision with 3 chapters remaining. I hope Deepak sir, everybody is having that full enthusiasm and energy.
Yes, we have 3 more days for our main examination on 28th morning. We are going to present our maximum, what all effort we are doing now. Everything we are going to present on 28th morning. And we will be having one marathon session also on Thursday. And tomorrow you have some mock examinations. So hope you all are preparing for that. So this is our last 3 chapter for our MCQ, assertion, reason, and MNTQs for our discussion. So I hope you all are ready for that one.
Yes, so today we are doing the most important organic chapters, aldehydes, ketones, alcohols, and even biomolecules. So I think we can start, sir.
Yes. I think today we are coming with lots of questions. Okay, today we have some more questions and this is our last MCQ session. So especially for you, some additional questions also there. Please be active all of you, and your active participation we have too. We want to see in your chat box and hope you all are there. Are you ready all?
Yes, everybody is there. If you respond really quick, we can do many questions.
Let us start.
And let's try to finish this.
Yes, okay. So yes, we are moving to the question number 1. Please read the questions very carefully and give your answers in the chat box immediately. Okay, maximum try to reduce the errors. Okay, question number 1 from the chapter alcohol, phenols and ether.
So the decreasing order of reactivity of the following alcohols with halogen acids. So, sir, this is actually a very important question related to one of the main tests we are using.
We are using the hydrogen halide. You know, Lucas test we are using HCl, right? HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2. So, which alcohol undergo the reaction with the hydrogen halide? For example, HCl faster. And what is the reactivity order? Yes, I think there is no much confusion.
Everybody is answering option B.
Same answer is there, right? So we know the first step is the removal of OH and making the carbocation. So which is depends on the stability of carbocation, which is primary, it is secondary, and it is tertiary.
So if it is a tertiary carbocation, it will be the most stable carbocation and it will immediately react with the hydrogen halides and forms turbidity.
Yes, and you will get the immediate turbidity. Secondary alcohol give after 5 minutes, primary alcohol only by heating. So overall, the reactivity order is CBA, right?
Yes, all of them have answered it correctly. Very good.
Right. Okay, all. So we are moving to the second question. Phenol is less acidic than. Just within 3 seconds, you can able to answer it. Phenol is less acidic than. So which is more acidic among these?
Yes, I think Deepak sir, every year there used to be one question from alcohols, phenols,
based on
the acidity
part.
Either they ask the pKa value or Ka value, or even they give you the molecules and arrange them
in increasing, decreasing order. Here also all are going with option B, DS?
Yes, everybody is commenting option B.
Option B. So phenol is less acidic than, ethanol. The normal alcohols are less acidic than phenol. Methyl is an EDG, and methoxy is an EDG, and the nitro group is the only one EWG. Which one? Increase the acidity. As you know, electron withdrawing group increase acidity, electron donating group increase basicity.
Yes, yes.
Option B, right? I think no doubts.
Yeah, everybody is having crystal clear concepts. Great,
Okay.
great to see that.
Yes, okay. Next question. Arrange the following compound in the increasing order of acidity. Just to be said now, the arranging order will be there. But here something they have to be take care more, and one special case is there. So can you please tell me, dears, what is the answer here? Orthonitrobenzoic acid,
Then we have para-nitrobenzoic acid,
para-nitrobenzoic acid,
para-hydroxybenzoic acid,
hydroxy, so COOH and OH. Then we have just benzoic acid. Which one is expected to be? You know, all are carboxylic acid. You know, carboxylic acids are more acidic than phenol and all. Here no phenol cases. So nitro group is at ortho, nitro group is at para, and OH is there. OH is an EDG, NO2 is an EWG. So it is very clear A or B is more acidic. Among A and B, which is more acidic?
Yeah, everybody is answering option D.
D.
Sir.
Right, option D. Yes, because ortho, the nitro group is at ortho position. It's known as what? Ortho effect. Like nitro group is in ortho position, so it will be withdraw more and make the removal of H plus easier.
Or we can also say the conjugate base will be more stable.
More stable.
Because of the electron withdrawing effect.
So first one, then second one. Among this and this, you know, the D one is, the fourth one is the least one, and then we have the third one, which is in C.
Yes.
So overall option D is the answer.
Everybody has answered D.
Option D. I think today they are much more prepared,
confident.
And the mistakes is very less now. So even we have to see this errorless answers in your the Menti quiz competition also.
Yes.
Please try to reduce. Yesterday also for few questions they are making 24. There is a particular students are answer. They have some concept.
There was a huge difference.
Yes, difference is there. So please don't make mistakes, dears. Okay, question number 4. The major product of the compound, you know, tert,
CH3 thrice C.
thrice, then O,
CH2
to
CH3.
CH3. It is heating with HI.
Yes.
This year we are definitely expecting a question based on the ether bond cleavages.
Bond cleavage, yes. Every year there will be one question related to either bond cleavage, and there are two important things you need to remember in this.
Yeah. The SN1 mechanism is there, SN2 is there.
mechanism.
And you know, this ether, left side we have a tertiary,
group.
right side we have a primary. So it follow which mechanism? SN1 mechanism,
Yes.
and break the tertiary bond, and you will get minus and plus.
So the iodide will go and attach to the tertiary carbon, and the H will go with the oxygen.
So we get tert, butyl iodide and CH3, CH2OH, ethanol. Where is the option? Option this is, I think here also there is no.
Yeah,
Yes, everyone is correct answer. Yes, option A. So tertiary with the primary, tertiary with the secondary cases when comes, please follow SN1 mechanism.
Even also if one of the group is an aryl group, we can say one product will be definitely phenol.
Phenol. We have to make a phenoxide ion there.
Yes.
Right. Okay, moving to question number 5. Phenol gives, okay, we are just reading, you give your answer, yes. Phenol gives orthonitrophenol and para-nitrophenol on reaction with the dilute HNO3. And NO2 plus is the nucleophile nitration. What is your answer?
So everybody is saying option A.
Oh my God! Today
that is one serious mistake. That
Yeah.
is something which you need to be very careful. Yeah, some are saying C.
Oh, so this question, I think, yes, some confusion is there.
Yes, yes.
So I think majority of they read that assertion. Yes, correct. Assertion is correct. Phenol on dilute HNO3, we get ortho and para-nitrophenol. That's correct here. But NO2 plus is the nucleophile. No.
Yeah, even you can look into the charge. It is a positively charged species, so it is an electrophile.
Electrophile, yes.
So in every electrophilic substitution reaction, which is nitration, the electrophile, the attacking electrophile is nitronium ion.
Yes.
And that is not a nucleophile, it is an electrophile.
Yeah. And the, chlorination means what's that? Cl
Chloronium
plus,
ion.
not Cl minus. And the bromination, and similarly Friedel-Crafts alkylation, acylation. These all are what? Electrophilic substitution, where electrophile is the upcoming group. So NO2 all are plus charge. Okay, NO2 plus is a electrophile. So I think say small mistakes happen. Please correct it, all of you.
Yes, they have understood.
No.
Great.
Understanding is the main thing. Please don't do the mistake in the board exam. That's it. Okay. Moving to the question number 6. The reagent that can be used to distinguish between acetophenone and benzophenone. Faster.
Come on, we are expecting your answers. Please answer fast. Okay, I could see that majority of the answers is D.
B, D,
D. Most of them are answering D.
D.
Yes, so both of them are ketones here.
Yes.
So 2,4-DNP is answered by ketones. All of them, both of them will answer. Aqueous NaHCO3, SO3 addition reaction will happen. Felling solution, both of them will not answer. But iodine and NaOH, the reaction of iodoform, that can be used. So acetophenone being a methyl ketone, it will form iodoform, but benzophenone will not.
So iodoform test is given by the compound having methyl carbonyl group, right? Iodoform test, option D is the answer.
Yes, even Shakti is answering methyl ketone.
Methyl ketone, yeah, methyl ketone.
That is the reason why iodoform test is answered.
So all the distinguishing tests, please recover all, and we should know how to write the reaction and the results. What is iodoform color and all, yellow in color.
Even in the last 5 years, you can see the same way there was a question distinguished between pendant 2-on
2-on and pendant 3-on. Right. Okay, next question here. Question number 7. Okay, we are waiting for your answer. Please work out faster. Give your answer. Monochlorination of toluene
in sunlight, followed by hydrolysis with aqueous NaOH. Followed by aqueous NaOH. Yes.
What is the answer? It's from one of the easiest reaction and conversion also. You may study toluene to that compound.
Excellent, Deepak sir. See, all of the students are answering
C.
Really good. C is the most.
C is the most. Okay, so let's see. This is our substitution reaction, dears. Substitution happen on alkane chain, on benzylic position. So we get CH2Cl.
And then we are treating it with aqueous NaOH. So that will be a nucleophilic substitution. Chloride is a better leaving group, and it will be replaced by OH, and you get benzyl alcohol.
Benzyl, okay, benzene with CH2. Benzyl alcohol is the major product. Yes, option C is the answer.
Yes.
It is there in our NCERT book also as a conversion. How will you convert toluene to benzyl alcohol?
Yes.
Right, first chlorination, then nucleophilic substitution.
But sir, one more variation can come. This same reaction, if they ask toluene plus chlorine in presence of anhydrous
AlCl3.
Then things changes.
If it is react with the Cl2 in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, dear, it is electrophilic substitution. What do you get? Then it will be orthochlorotoluene and parachlorotoluene will be the product. So carefully read the reagent, what is mentioned, okay? So all are ready all? The 7 question almost you may answered. All are ready?
Yes.
All are there? Be active. Yes or no? Yes.
Great.
Where is the fire? Where is the power? Where is the fire? Where is your energy? Are you there? Ortho and para, yes, I think a small delay is there.
Yes.
It's okay, no problem.
Great.
Okay, ready all? Moving to question number 8th question.
Very frequently repeatedly asked question, arrange the following compounds in the increasing order of boiling points. So recollect all the concepts that you learned about boiling points. What all factors controls boiling point?
As you know, one main factor is the molecular mass. Greater the molecular mass, greater the boiling point.
Yes.
Then number of branch.
Yes.
For isomers case, you have to follow the number of branches.
More the branching, lesser will be the surface area. Lesser the surface area, lesser will be the van der Waals force.
Yes, here also there is no confusion. Even
we are getting mixed answers here. A
is there.
B is also
B
there.
also there. Majority answer is A.
A only.
A is the correct here. Pentan 1 all more 5 carbon.
Yes.
Then butane 1-ol, butane 2-ol. Butane 1-ol, no branch.
Yes.
Butane 2-ol, one branch. So lesser, more branches increases mean boiling point decreases. Then propane 1-ol. Option A is the correct answer, no doubt. I think the mistakes problem happen in butane 2-ol and butane 1-ol.
Yes. So those who have made that mistake, please correct it. The branching comes means it will be having lower boiling point.
Okay, dears. Question number 9 for you. What is the IUPAC name of the ketone A which undergo iodoform reaction? So you have a ketone A which undergo iodoform test, NaOI. It's giving a compound
CH3, CH, double bond C, CH3, COO, Na.
Na. And a yellow precipitate, yellow precipitate is the iodoform.
Yes.
So what is your ketone is the question. I think it's a good question. We have to think.
Yes.
Option
now is
C,
coming,
D.
It's a very simple concept.
Let's try with the compounds one by one. That's better.
Yes.
3-methyl pent 3-ene. So pent means total 5 carbon. Third position there is a methyl group. Pent 3-ene. And the second position ketone. Okay. This is one of the first compound. Let's check it all. If this compound undergo iodoform test, how to write the product in iodoform? Very simple way. Iodoform test is given by methyl carbonyl group. So this CH3, you make it as what? CHI3. That's already gone. What is remaining there? The overall things, write it as COONA.
Yes, it will get oxidized to carboxylic group.
So CH3, CH double bond, CCH3, then COONA.
Yes.
So I think, this is the same product we require. So I think option is A itself. How many of them are given option A as the answer? There is no confusion, right? Okay, good. Option A is the correct answer, yes.
Yes.
So iodoform test when you writing the product, very easy, okay, very easy. The CH3CO group, the CH3
will become iodoform. And CO will get oxidized to sodium salt.
COONA. That's it.
Yes.
Okay, no confusion, okay. Next question.
Yes, it's clear, right, everyone? Great.
Are you clear the concept? Yes. Please understand the concept, okay, not just a question answer. We have to know the concepts.
Yes.
Ready?
It's clear, yes.
All right. Okay, next assertion. Alcohols react as both electrophiles and nucleophiles. ROH, that's our alcohol. Alcohol can act as nucleophile as well as electrophile or not.
Yes, even when they start studying the chemical properties of alcohols, the first concept is this: alcohol can act as nucleophile as well as electrophile, and during that time, what kind of bond cleavage is happening?
Yes. Dear, alcohol can act as nucleophile as well as electrophile. Yes, correct.
Yes.
I think most of them are giving correct answer. Yes, good. When the bond between CO in alcohol, CO means which bond? This RO bond.
Yes.
Is broken, it acts as
a nucleophile.
Nucleophile. Is it? If it broken, you get O minus, right?
Yes.
So it is a nucleophile. Is it a you will get O minus and here
R plus.
So it's a
electrophile.
If you want the alcohol as a nucleophile, then which bond we have to break?
OH bond must be broken.
OH bond have to break it. Then only it acts as a nucleophile.
Yes.
So, but not CO bond.
Yes. One excellent example is the acidity of alcohols.
Yeah. Okay, yes, I know alcohols are acidic in nature because they can give what? H plus ion. So what you get? O minus is the nucleophile.
Yes.
Okay, so answer is option C, dears. A is true, R is false.
Yes. I think Vanessa, the reason is clear, right? Why it is not acting as a nucleophile.
Okay, when you break this one, you are getting a plus charge here. The nucleophile means what? If OH bond break, oxygen having more lone pair and negative charge. That means the most electron rich side.
Yes.
Most electron rich position act as the nucleophilic center.
Okay.
Okay, next one. Question number 11. Benzoic acid does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. I think the same one question is there in our amine chapter also.
Yes, aniline. Yesterday, I think in the quiz also there was a question related to this.
Aniline do not undergo Friedel-Craft
Friedel-Crafts,
reaction because it forms a salt with AlCl3 Lewis acid. So benzoic acid does not undergo Friedel-Craft reaction or not? Yes, assertion is correct.
Yes.
And what is the reason?
Yeah, they are giving the right answers.
Correct.
Great.
The acid is deactivating and the catalyst AlCl3 get bonded to carboxyl
group.
Yes. Option A, both assertion and reason are true. So you may practice lots of previous year questions now. I think these questions are now a familiar.
Yeah, it is very familiar for them.
Right. Okay, yes. Question number 12. As we discussed, lot of questions are there today. Please be here. Give your answer faster. Don't make mistake. What is the reagent used in the following conversion?
So we have acetone getting converted into propan-2-ol. CH3COCH3 to CH3CHOH CH3.
Which is the best reagent to convert a ketone to secondary alcohol?
Yeah, majority are saying D.
Option.
I could see some A and C as well. So we need to have a conceptual clarity here.
Yeah.
This is a ketone. So you know that ketone will get reduced to secondary alcohol. So we need to use a reducing agent here.
Like we can use it which all? NaBH4, LiAlH4. These are the reducing agents we are using to convert ketone to secondary and aldehyde to primary alcohol.
Yes. In option A and B, you can see one is Wolff-Kishner and one is Clemmensen reduction. So
Yes.
in both the cases, it will become alkane,
Alkane.
not alcohol. And the C is a mild oxidizing agent. So it won't work.
Yeah.
Right.
D, right? No confusion?
Yes.
Okay,
understood.
perfect. Question number 13, a simple question. We can expect IUPAC related, but any one chapter.
Yes.
We can't able to fix it. Maybe ether, maybe amines.
Yes.
Any one question. Maybe, okay, very, we know, as a organic chemistry student, we of course know
Definitely there will be one.
the IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, yes, what is
Probably there could be an MCQ this time. We can predict from amines related to IUPAC name.
IUPAC.
Let's see. Yes, they are giving B as the answer.
B. So yes, you have two functional group in this. So some doubts this like the priority
of
order.
the functional groups, yes.
Alcohol is there, ketone
And
is.
ketone is there.
So which one having highest priority is ketone. So number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the
Yes.
name is
And when alcohol comes as a secondary group, it will be hydroxy. So it is 4-hydroxy
pentan 2-on. Option B is the answer.
Yes.
Yes, kindly requesting you one thing. In the organic chemistry chapters, every organic chemistry chapter, first 2-3 pages, IUPAC nomenclature is there. And in which lot of common names
Common
they
names
mention,
are,
like
yes.
catechol, rasosinol, and vanillin, like lot of compounds are there. So if they want to make the question paper
A little bit harder, they could ask that.
Yeah.
Even there was cinnamaldehyde asked once in board exam. So please do check the common names given, especially phenitol and all. I could see that some of them are hearing it for the first time, even though it is there in the NCERT textbook.
So NCERT textbook, we cannot do the complete naming in the classes maybe.
Yes.
So last year, may they asked the croton aldehyde,
Yes.
croton aldehyde, butyl enol. So those who already completed your A to Z studies about the reactions and all. Okay, don't think, okay, everything is ready, I prepared everything. No, there is something like these kind of notes are there. Please study the IUPAC nomenclature from the textbook.
Right.
Okay, next one. Which of the following alcohol will not undergo oxidation?
Yes, this is also a very simple concept. In alcohols oxidation, you have studied primary alcohols. If you strongly oxidize, it will become carboxylic acid. And if you do a weak reduction or a mild reducing oxidizing agent, it will become aldehyde. And secondary will become ketone. And tertiary is resistant to oxidation.
Yeah.
So they are saying the answer is C.
Option C. Is anyone answering option D? No.
No,
Okay,
everyone is
that's good.
very confident.
Yes, tertiary alcohol do not undergo oxidation. Instead, it may undergo dehydration.
Yes.
So 2-methyl butan 2-ol is the tertiary alcohol. No D, right? Okay, all are C.
All are saying C.
Okay, all. Next question for you. Carboxylic acids are more acidic than phenol.
Yes, in this Deepak sir, I think we have seen such justify the following questions related to this. why carboxylic acids are more acidic than phenol.
We have to explain through by drawing their resonance structure, etc.
Yes.
So carboxylic acid, we can directly write that RCOOH, carboxylic acid, and phenol is there. Just for a conceptual clarity,
Yeah.
Carboxylic acid, when it lose this H plus ion,
Its conjugate base is carboxylate ion.
RCOO minus,
Yes.
we'll get carboxylate ion. And you know, phenol, when lose H plus ion, we get
Phenoxide ion.
phenoxide ion, which is more stable, means we can go with carboxylate ion, because we have a resonance in carboxylate.
Where the negative charge is localized only on oxygen, which is the most electronegative atom. But even in phenoxide also we have resonance, but
Yeah.
it is dispersed over oxygen as well as carbon.
When we drawing the resonance structure of phenol, the negative charge comes to which one? The carbon.
Yes.
That's a very important. And when we ask the questions like why phenol is more acidic, everyone have an immediate answer.
Yes.
Sir, phenoxide ion is more stable.
Resonance.
But that's not give you a perfect marks in the board examination. We have to say phenol, when lose H plus ion, it form more stable conjugate base called phenoxide ion, and we have to draw its resonance structure also.
Yes.
But when compared to carboxylate ion, phenoxide ion resonance is stability is very less.
Yes. Anandita is saying carboxylate anion is more resonance stabilized because of two equivalent resonating structures where the negative charge is dispersed over the most electronegative oxygen atom. If you add that, it will become a little more perfect.
Yeah, that's the main point. Okay, here oxygen carry negative charge, here carbon carry negative charge. You know, oxygen is most electronegative element on which a negative charge, if it comes, it become more stable. Okay, that's why this resonance structure is more stable.
Can we use NaBH4 to convert ketone or aldehyde to acid? No, NaBH4 is a reducing agent.
Here.
If you want to convert into acid, you need to use oxidizing agent.
The KMNO4, K2Cr2, strong oxidizing agent, we have to use it.
Yes.
Okay, dears, question number 16 waiting for you. Which of the following is most
acidic
one?
I think they will answer this.
Yes. Waiting for your answer, dears. Come on fast. Which of the following is the most acidic alcohol? So
they are saying option D.
D is the most preferred answer. Benzyl alcohol, no. Cyclohexanol,
It's a regular alcohol.
Phenol, okay. Orthochlorophenol. So confusion with the phenol and orthochlorophenol. We know orthochlorophenol, chlorine, what type of group, dears? It's a minus I effect. It's a withdrawing group. Withdrawing group makes
the phenoxide ion more stable compared to the normal phenoxide ion.
Right. Option D
so
is the correct answer.
Yes, EWG.
Okay, yes, option D, no doubt. Because halogens are electron withdrawing group, it makes the more acidic one.
Yes.
Next one, during dehydration of alcohol to alkene, you know the mechanism, right? You know, concentrated H2SO4, what is the initial step? You have studied 3 steps. What's the name?
Yes, even in this chapter there are 3 mechanisms, out of which one is definitely going to come.
Yes. Okay, during dehydration of alcohol to alkene, which is the first method? First method is the option B, right? Protonation of alcohol molecule. Protonation is there, carbocation formation is there, and deprotonation is there. These are the 3 steps in mechanism.
Yes.
So this year definitely we can expect a question.
One mechanism will be there.
Based on the mechanisms. Okay, what all mechanisms are there? Ethene to ethanol, ethanol to ethene, and finally
and ethanol to ether.
Ethoxyethane is there, ether case is there. Okay, next one. What will be the bond angle in methoxymethane? What will be the bond angle in methoxymethane?
It's a direct question, so you can answer.
CH3O, CH3, the lone pairs are there. You may study the alcohol and ether comparison in their bond angle with the tetrahedral. Option 100
option B.
B. Option B. Yes. You know, normal tetrahedral bond angle is 109.5. Whereas in ether, bond angle is bigger because
The two bulky alkyl groups, they will be repelling each other.
Repel. So the bond angle is more than 109, which is around 111.70. Yes, option B is the correct, right, bulky.
Yes.
In the similar way, you know, alcohol bond angle is less than this tetrahedral because of what? The lone pair
Lone pair, bond pair repulsion.
repulsion. Next question 19. Acetaldehyde will not show. Acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde will not show.
Yeah. It is an aldehyde and it has CH3CO. So iodoform test we can expect yes. Then Lucas test is for what? It is for alcohols.
Alcohol.
Do for DNP is for carbonyl compounds. So acetaldehyde will show it. Tolerance test is for distinguishing aldehydes and ketones. So acetaldehyde being an aldehyde will show it.
Okay.
So everybody has answered Lucas test.
Option B, Lucas test. Aldehyde do not respond to Lucas test, right? Question number 20 for you, dears. Okay, question is,
in case of phenol, bromination takes place even in the absence of Lewis acid, whereas bromination of benzene take place in the presence of Lewis acid. Read the assertion carefully. In case of phenol, bromination takes place even in the absence of Lewis acid, whereas bromination of benzene takes place in the presence of a Lewis acid. Is the assertion true or false?
mixed answers are there.
Yeah.
A is there,
coming, A is coming.
C is there. Okay. So the basic difference between phenol and benzene is OH group. OH group, you know, it's a EDG plus R effect. So OH group is an EDG. It give electrons to benzene, make the ortho and para position electron rich. Br2, you know, Br plus electrophile, right? Electrophile can easily go to ortho and para position. But in benzene, such an activating group is not there. Which all plus R group, what you call as activating group. Activating group, because they give electrons to benzene and make the ortho para electron rich. So electrophile can easily go to ortho and para. Yes. Such an activating group is not in benzene. This is the condition. Now what is your answer? So I think that the option assertion, in case of phenol, bromination takes place even in the absence. Yes, okay, because phenol is a activating group.
But the reason says OH group attached to benzene ring is highly deactivating. So that reason is not right, because OH is a highly activating group just like NH2. So bromination will take place quickly.
Okay, generally yes, EDG, right, electron donating group, when comes on benzene ring, they are activating the benzene ring. But electron withdrawing group, they will deactivate the benzene ring. Okay, so I think now it is clarified.
Yeah. There is a question for a name reaction. Should we write its definition? Please tell. See, that depends on the question again. Because in conversion questions and all, you don't need. But if it is questions like explain the following, Ittard reaction or Cannizzaro reaction, in such case, you have to write it in words and then you have to write the equation.
Yes. Right. Okay, all 21. So for your other doubt clarification, everything, we will be having our marathon session is waiting for that. So no need to worry about it. Now, please focus on questions. Be sharp.
Yes.
Okay, question is like...
Ethers behave as bases in the presence of mineral acids. Ethers behave as bases in the presence of mineral acids. That is the assertion. And the reason is, it is due to the presence of lone pair of electron on oxygen. Yes, I could see only two have answered it till now. Yeah, more answers are coming.
Okay. Rihan, Ishan.
Yes, Shakti has answered, Bismillah Balamalli, Dhanya has answered, Atmana has answered. Very good, very
Option
good. Keep answering.
A. Okay.
Yes.
Ethers behave as bases in the presence of mineral acid, like HCl. So yes, because the lone pair is available on ether, it can protonate, that H plus.
Yes.
And it is due to the presence of the lone pair of electron on oxygen. Yes.
That is the correct explanation. So we can go with option A. Itself.
Option A is the answer. Why is someone is asking to us that whether it is A or not. So you have to say yes.
You should be confident.
My answer is A, because you know this is MCQ. Once we answer, final.
Yes.
Either get or lose. That's all. So with a confident mind, please try to answer it always. Okay, next question.
Phenol reacts with concentrated HNO3 to form.
An immediate answer.
Yes.
I think chat box will be covered within seconds.
Yes.
Phenol on treated with a concentrated HNO3, you will get a yellow colored, one of the more acidic one species called.
Yes, they are all answering.
That's that.
2,4,6 trinitrophenol.
Yes, acid.
Which is also known as
Picric acid, right?
Yes.
Picric acid. Okay, yes, you know what is salicylic acid, phthalic acid, benzoic acid, isophthalic acid, terethylic acid, like that some compounds are there. Please take care, okay? 23. Which of the following organic compound answers both iodoform test as well as Felling's test?
Yes, the hint is already there. It should answer both iodoform as well as Felling's. Felling's is answered only by aliphatic aldehydes. And iodoform is answered by anything which has methyl ketone or CH3 CHOH group.
Come on, yes. I think here also no confusion. Option.
Yes, all of them are saying A.
Yes, option A, right? Yes, ethanol, CH3CHO. It's having methyl ketone group as well as it's an aliphatic aldehyde, right? Option A is the correct answer.
I could see one of them have answered B. B is propanol. Propanol is a ketone. So it will answer iodoform test, but it will not answer Felling's test.
Okay, yes. Question number 24 is waiting for you. Here you have to say the answer. Here phenol treated with the aqueous NaOH. We are getting sodium phenoxide with the liberation of hydrogen gas. This phenomenon suggests that phenol is dash.
Yes. Yeah, they got it correct.
Okay. Which is the what character it shows that? Even the same question you can expect in another way.
Yeah.
Give a reaction which shows the
Acidity
and acidic nature of phenol. So phenol treat with NaOH. Yes. Phenol can lose the H plus. It's showing the acidic nature of which one? Phenol,
Yes,
right? Okay.
yes.
Option B is the correct
So
answer.
many are answering correctly. That's why we are not able to pick your names and call
Yeah. We are waiting to pick your name from the
during the quiz.
Yes, quiz. That's the easiest way. Okay, yes, assertion waiting for you. Come on, everyone. The boiling point of ethanol is higher than that of dimethyl ether. When we start our revision, I think this is one of the frequent assertion reason students are sending with a doubtful mind.
Yes. And even in board exam last year also this question came.
Yes.
Related to ether and alcohol.
One alcohol. Ethanol and dimethyl ether is given. They're saying boiling point of ethanol is higher than that of dimethyl ether. Yes, dears, alcohols having high boiling point than ether due to?
Because of intermolecular hydrogen bonding.
In
that is
alcohols.
the reason why alcohol have higher boiling point.
Boiling point. So assertion is?
Yeah, the reason given is, assertion is correct, but the reason given is dimethyl ether are associated through hydrogen bonding is false. So assertion is true, reason is false.
False. Option C. So make sure because assertion reason, okay, make a tick on assertion reason what is clarified, then please proceed with the option.
Yes.
26 all, which of the following best explain why acetic acid is more acidic than phenol?
Yes, sir already explained about the theory, so you should not make any mistake in this.
We just discussed about acid and alcohol, the acidity case, why acid is more acidic, carboxylic acids are more acidic than phenol case. So
Yes.
don't make any mistake here, please.
Ether is associated through dipole. Yeah, that's correct. But the reason you should mention is ethanol is having intermolecular hydrogen bonding, which is pretty strong.
Yeah, I think now the concept is clarified.
Yes.
No doubt.
Everybody has answered correctly. Very good.
The negative charge is in acetate ion is delocalized between two oxygen atom without charge separation. Yes. Oxygen carry negative charge. It makes what? More stable. Okay, dears. Question number 27. Okay, waiting for your answer. I'll just make the frame. You read it. Okay.
A compound X with the molecular formula C3H8O can be oxidized by strong oxidizing agents.
Let's take KMnO4 or
Yes.
K2Cr2O7.
Yeah, and it forms a compound Y, whose molecular formula is C3H6O2. 3 H6O2. 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 3 C3H6O2. So it's very easily you can identify. You can see that in the final compound, 2 hydrogen is removed and 1 oxygen is added, and it's an oxidation. And yes,
Only, so only 3 carbon is there in our acid, so we can almost judge it. What is our acid is which one? Propanoic acid. So propanoic acid, if you want to get from a compound, what should be the compound X? No.
Yes. So
no confusion.
Everybody is answering
Answer.
option C. It should be an alcohol. Alcohol can be oxidized into carboxylic acid.
Primary alcohol undergoes strong oxidations, give you what? Carboxylic acid.
Yes.
28th one, yes, this is the IUPAC that we are saying. IUPAC related one question are sure.
Yes.
So
CH3, CH, OCH3, then CH3.
CH3. What is the name of this ether?
So just take the longest carbon chain as the parent and then express the substituent's name. Yes, everybody is saying option B.
2-methoxypropane. Other options?
Yes.
No.
No. Everybody is saying option
Okay,
B.
fine. So, yes, ether naming is very easy. See, where is the biggest chain on oxygen? Check it. Here is the biggest chain. So, this is propane chain. Rest of all a branch. So, 1, 2, 3. The name is
2-methoxypropane.
propane. Option B is the right answer.
Yes.
Okay, no confusion. You have already studied every reactions now, so you can immediately answer it. Again, next one, methoxyethane. Methoxyethane. What is methoxyethane? CH3O,
C2H5.
C2H5.
Reacts with HI. So it's again hydrogen halide to give ethanol. To give ethanol and iodomethane. You remember we just explained about either bond cleavage. If primary and secondary is involved, then you have to look for the less bulky group, which will go with the halide, because it's going to be an SN2 reaction. So yes, so CH3I and C2H5OH will be the products. So our assertion is correct. The reason is reaction of methoxyethane with HI follow SN2 mechanism. Yes. That is also right.
Correct one.
Everybody
Option
is answering A.
Option A.
Very good.
No confusion. Yes, like a primary, secondary cases when comes, break the less crowded CO bond because it follow SN2 mechanism.
Yes.
So this year we are saying from here itself one of
question.
the question we can expect definitely from ether bond breaking.
Yes.
Okay. Question number.
And mostly it will be from a in-text question, we guess.
Yes. I think after the discussion itself in textbook, they given much more examples. Practice the same. Yes. Okay. One of the simple question from biomolecule. I think this is the only one chapter.
Yeah.
We have an immediate answers for each of them.
Yes. Everybody should be answering.
Option C is the answer. Vitamin K.
Okay. Let's read, sir. Vitamin K can be stored in our body. And the reason is vitamin K is water soluble vitamin. So one important point you need to remember is the difference between water soluble and fat soluble vitamins. So you can remember fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E, K, ADEK. So all of these vitamins can be stored in the body, but water soluble vitamins have a risk of being removed through the urine. So K belongs to which category? It is fat soluble. So it can be stored in the body. Yes.
Option C, right? Vitamin K cannot able to store. It's a fat soluble vitamin. Option C is the answer. B and C are water. B and
water soluble.
Yes. 31. The aromatic compounds having formula C7H8O, which are easily identified by ferric chloride solution test. They know very about.
Yes, you are familiar with ferric chloride test. It is a test for phenolic group.
You made it in your practical exam for organic functional group identification, right? Phenolic compounds are giving neutral ferric chloride compounds. What is the answer? Okay. B. Okay.
We can see B and C, both answers are coming.
Derivations are important. More than the derivation, the final equations, right, based on the numericals are important.
Yes.
B and C, I think some confusion is there.
Okay.
So Generally, neutral ferric chloride tests are given by phenolic compounds. Okay, phenol contain. What is cresol? Cresol mean is CH3.
CH3 with phenol.
Phenol.
In the
And
ortho.
benzyl means benzene with CH2OH. It's not a phenolic compound, right? So option, what is the option they're saying? Option C is there. Okay. I think here is
There is a small mistake.
Happened, yes.
I
Here-
think still none of them have given the
Right answer. They all are checking who is giving both.
Yeah. That is the issue. You read the question again. They are asking the which are easily identifiable by FeCl3, which means one of them should answer it, other shouldn't answer it.
Yeah. We are checking the both of the options is given by FeCl3. Dear, no. Then how we will distinguish? One should give, one should not. Then only we can distinguish, right? So option.
Now it is coming.
Now it's coming.
Now
Okay.
everybody
Option
is saying A.
Okay. Okay,
Yes.
option A. Yes, option A is the correct one. Yes. Cresol will give the result, but benzyl alcohol do not.
Will not. But in all the other options, you see metacresol and paracresol both has phenolic groups, so
Yeah.
it will both answer it. Orthocresol,
Cresol,
paracresol,
paracresol.
same. But the option D, none of them will react with FeCl3.
Yeah.
So it's option A.
Okay. Okay, DS. So this is the importance of the MCQ practice. Okay, we'll get much more ideas. Hope you
Yes.
get it.
Yes, Krishida, it will be done. We will be giving you a complete insight on what you should do in the boards during the marathon life.
Yes. Okay, DS. Question number 32 waiting for you. Why orthonitrophenol is less soluble in water than para and meta product?
Right from 11th standard, they are dealing with these two compounds, paranitrophenol and orthonitrophenol.
The intramolecular, intermolecular cases you are studying there. And you know another question also based on this one, the
boiling point.
volatile
volatility.
cases.
Which of them is steam volatile?
Yeah. Orthonitrophenol having very weak
Intramolecular hydrogen bonding.
intramolecular. Weakest the bond. What? If they can able to make weak bond means they will be less soluble and their boiling point also will be less.
Lesser.
So orthonitrophenol is less soluble because option
A.
A. All are given option
Yeah.
A. Correct
Due to
answer.
Intramolecular.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
33 question. I think this is one of the good question, and we are waiting for the answer. All you have a compound here. This is an acetal. You may study about hemiacetal, acetal, hemiketal, ketal, etc. If you want to get this compound, they treated two compound A and B. What is that? A and B. So which all compound, if you react, you get this compound.
Yes. So in the chapter aldehydes ketones, one question is definitely going to come from nucleophilic addition reaction. It could be ammonia and its derivatives, or it could be hydrogen cyanide addition, or it could be NaHSO3 addition, or if it is alcohol addition.
Okay, I think if somebody say option A also, I think we can cover all the options now. B is there, C is there, D is there. Okay, yes. So very simple. It's a very simple question. This part is your carbonyl compound.
Yes. So CH3 C double bond OH. That will be your carbonyl part. And you can see there are two ethoxy coming there. And that is coming from the alcohol. CH3, CH2, OH. So in the first step, it will form hemiacetal.
First it forms the nucleophilic addition, right? It will
Yes.
undergo nucleophilic addition and forms which one? This will attack on C and it become O minus.
Yes.
So we get CH3CH, then we have O minus. To the O minus we'll get
Protonated.
the H plus
So H.
and we have O, CH2, CH3.
Yes. And again, if you add one more alcohol, then that OH and the H will be eliminated as water, and you will get
The same
the
product.
final compound.
You know, aldehyde, when treated with the alcohol, the first formed product is called hemiacetal.
Hemiacetal.
Then again, when it react with alcohol, it formed called acetal. Okay,
Yes.
so option.
Ethanol and ethanol. So it is
Okay.
option D.
Oh, that's our mistake. I think
Yeah, the
D
last
is
option.
given. Okay, option D, right? Yes, option
Yes.
D is the answer. Okay, dear. So the nucleophilic addition, please take care. Next one, 34. What is the IUPAC name of the ketone A which undergo Clemmensen reduction to form ethyl benzene?
So benzene ring with CH2, CH3. Yeah, ethyl benzene.
If you want to get through Clemmensen, zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl, what should be the compound in this site?
Very easily they can rule out all the options because propan 2-on, butan 2-on, 3-methyl-butene, none of them have this phenyl group.
Phenyl ring.
So option will be
1-phenyl-ethanone. Yes, this is the compound. 1-phenyl-ethanone. During Clemmensen, what happened?
Carbonyl will become methylene group, CH2.
Right. Option B is the answer.
Yes.
Okay, yes, I think there is no doubt here. Moving to next one, 35. DNA and RNA contain 4 bases each. Which of the following bases
is not present in RNA?
RNA. Biomolecule, there is should not be any confusion. 7 mark at any cost. We have to get it. Option is C.
Yes, thymine. Thymine is present only in DNA. Thymine is also known as 5-methyl uracil. So it's a substituted form of uracil and that is absent in RNA.
Next one, 36.
Yeah, this is a very important question because out of all the amino acids that you learned, there is only one amino acid which is optically inactive.
And it can be asked as a reasoning question. Okay, explain the cases. Glycine is the only one optically inactive because there is no chiral carbon present.
Yes.
So glycine optically inactive. Yes, correct. Glycine is the simplest beta amino acid. No, glycine is the alpha amino acids.
Yes. The structure of glycine is also clear to everybody. So assertion is true, reason is false.
B is coming there.
Yeah, they didn't read that beta.
Okay. Glycine is what is? NH2 H2COOH. This is the alpha carbon in which amine group is present. Okay.
Yes.
Whatever the amino acid we are discussing, they are alpha amino acids, not beta. Okay, take care. 37. Each polypeptide in a. Okay, I think within the line itself, they are ready to answer. You have studied primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary structure of alcohols. Sorry, the proteins. Which is the definition is mentioned here? Option A. The specific, right?
The linear sequence or the straight chain sequence is called as primary structure. Yes, it's option A.
Option A.
Okay.
Deficiency of
which vitamin causes night blindness? Dear all, study this chart in the textbook. It is very, very important. Do not skip that. Vitamin deficiency disorders is a very important question.
Compulsory to know the other vitamins, other name, what is thiamine, what is retinol, their deficiency causes and their source also.
Yes.
Don't forget.
Yeah, everybody is saying vitamin A, option A. Yes, very good.
And we have that serophthalmia also. Please.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. I is there. Yes, related to I. In the ring structure of glucose, the anomeric carbon is, which is the anomeric carbon in glucose? Which is the anomeric carbon in glucose? Yes, cornea hardening. Yes.
Yes. Muhammad Yusuf is listing all the symptoms.
Option D, right? So, which is the anomeric carbon in glucose is
the
C1.
first carbon atom.
And maybe fructose also can be expected where C2 is the carbon. Option D. 40. Vitamin C cannot be stored in our body. Vitamin C is water soluble and readily excreted in urine.
Yeah, quickly answer. We already mentioned about the different types of vitamins.
I think someone is still sending the answer for the previous question. I think maybe it's a delay. Yes, option A.
Option A.
No doubt. Option A is the answer, right?
Correct.
Vitamin. Okay, moving fast, DS. Alpha D glucose and
beta D glucose are.
Alpha D glucose and beta D glucose are.
They are saying option
C.
Yes. Very good. They are anomers. They differ in the configuration around the first carbon.
Anomeric carbon, right? Anomers definition and all expected one. 42. Deficiency of vitamin B12 causes. B12. Vitamin B12 called cyanocobalamin and its deficiency causes. Option
Yes, everybody is saying A.
A, yes. Pernicious.
Correct. Pernicious anemia,
Anemia.
is the deficiency disorder.
Right, option A. 43. Albumin is a globular protein, where our reason is
Polypeptide chain coils around to give a straight chain. So please read the assertion and the reason properly.
fully read. Okay, maybe our mistakes are mentioned in the last word.
Yes.
Albumin is a globular protein. Yes, we have insulin and albumin, both are globular.
proteins.
Polypeptide chain coil around to give a straight chain. So there is a big mistake. It's not straight chain here. They are getting coiling, become a
Spherical three-dimensional structure.
So assertion is true, reason is
False.
false. Option C is the right answer. All are giving, all are active. Thank you all.
Yes. Yes.
44. Some of the, okay, again, same definition, but they used a term called subunit. I think from there itself,
Yes.
students.
Yeah, especially with the help of hemoglobin's example, you can remember. Yes, come on.
Yeah, quiz is waiting. Yes. Quiz is waiting. Just we are going to wind up almost 44 questions we completed within this time. Yes, we are
Yes.
moving to that. And even in the quiz also, today, some more questions are there. Okay, after 45th question, we are moving to that. Some of the protein contain
Yeah, they have answered A as the option.
option
Yes, that's correct. A quaternary structure
Quaternary.
has subunits.
subunit. And here we have the last question, dears, on oxidation with the nitric acid, glucose as well as gluconic acid both gives.
Yes. The primary alcohol group and the aldehyde group both gets oxidized to give a dicarboxylic acid. What is its name? Yes, everybody is saying option A.
Option A, saccaric acid.
Yes,
With the
yes.
mild oxidation, bromine water, which give you gluconic
Gluconic acid.
acid. So all the reactions of glucose is compulsory to study on. Okay, there are around 94 students are there still now. We are actively participating.
Yes. I think we can go with start with the quiz.
Yes.
They are all waiting for that to come in the top. Bismillah is asking, uracil is also not common for both DNA and RNA. See, in DNA we have adenine, thymine, cytosine, guanine, ATCG. Whereas in RNA we have AUCG. The question was which one was not in RNA. Okay, it's clear?
Okay, well, please.
So please join in this. All of you are able to see the QR code. Please scan it and join. Yeah, thymine in DNA and uracil in RNA. Correct. You can go to the link using the QR code or you can use the code there.
Around 21 students. We want all the students today because this is our last session for the MCQ and assertion reason discussion. 31 players are ready now. 32. We are waiting 2 more minutes all. Rishi, Danya, Nessa, Kester, Gaushik, Anandika, Michelle, Shreya, Umayal, Sana.
So please remember 15 questions are there in the quiz today and you have to answer the 15 questions. Not only make it correct but answer it real quick. Because if 2 people get 15 questions correct, the first one will be the one who has answered it really fast.
So today will be a tight
Yes,
competition.
it will be a very tight competition.
So please enter your name properly, my dears, because we really want to appreciate each one of you, especially the toppers.
Yes.
And all the participants. Please
Yes.
write your complete name.
Yes, the UPSC name, not the common name.
Okay, I think 54 players are ready. Okay.
Right. So I think, sir, we can start because it's almost time.
Okay, dears. So we are going to start now. Please be active and very focused. Read the questions. Okay, sir. Let's start the question. Question number 1 waiting for you all. Read the question.
Please look into your screen and read the question real quick. You have 24 seconds.
Arrange the following compound in increasing order of their reactivity towards nucleophilic addition. We know aldehydes are more reactive than ketone towards nucleophilic addition with a less bulky group. So 5, 4. Okay, yes, 3, 2, 1. Over.
Yes, time up. Let's see the answers.
Okay, around
Okay, 42 have
majority are
answered
there
correctly.
in the boundary.
Yes.
Okay,
so
yes.
A is the right answer.
A is the right answer. Okay, ethanol. Smaller the alkyl group, more the reactivity. Okay.
Yes.
Moving to question number 2. Here is question number 2 for you. Those who made mistake, please try to correct it here.
Yes. The reagent which does not react with both acetone and benzaldehyde. The reagent which does not react with both acetone and benzaldehyde.
Acetone, propanone.
Quickly.
Okay, 4, again 3, 2, 1, over, and the answer is, oh,
Yeah, here only some of you have made mistakes. It's a very simple question. Acetone is a ketone and benzaldehyde is an aromatic aldehyde. So in that case,
not react with they're asking.
So we have Felling solution there. Felling solution will not answer or will not be answered by those two compounds.
Ketone and aromatic aldehyde. Felling's test is only given by aliphatic aldehyde. Moving to question number 3.
3.
Question number 3, dears. Which of the following compound will undergo Cannizzaro reaction?
Yes. Deepak sir, should we start throwing hints so that they can answer quickly?
Cannizzaro means there should not be, the confusion will be
Yes.
like this,
Is
whether
it
it's having
alpha-
or
having
not. It should not have an alpha hydrogen. That's the best condition for what? Cannizzaro.
Yes.
So which of the
time is
compound?
up.
I think here the answer is yes,
Yes.
good all.
Majority have got.
49. Just one missing for 50. Okay, anyway. Okay, Cannizzaro will undergo by benzaldehyde.
Benzaldehyde.
Option C, benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde do not contain alpha hydrogen. Okay, sir, we can move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is quickly.
An alkene CH3CH double bond CH2 is treated with B2H6 in presence of H2O2.
The final product formed is B2H6 means
Yes.
they get it. What is the reaction?
Diborane.
The reaction which one? Hydroboration, then oxidation.
Yes.
And there is one more hint of you. Hydroboration, oxidation give you always a primary alcohol. But no progress, the time is over.
Let's see.
Answer is again
49 have made it correct.
Okay, answer is option C, propanol.
Yes.
Okay, during hydroboration oxidation, the alcohol will be a primary
Primary alcohol.
Question number 5 for you. Yes, this is one of the expected question this year.
Yeah. Cumene on reaction with oxygen followed by hydrolysis gives. Come on, think. Cumene was isopropyl benzene.
Cumene means it's under a preparation of one of the special compound, and it is a commercially important preparation because you are getting a byproduct. There is
also
acetone, one of the very commercially important byproduct. Okay, 3, 2, 1, time up, and the answer is option.
Yes, 38 have made correct, but A, B, C, all of the options are marked.
I think in this question we didn't expect such a mistakes, dear. Be very careful, okay? Cumene is to prepare phenol and acetone.
I think the B option was selected because they mistaken
yes.
ether. Acetone and ether mistake happened.
There is no CDS, there is no C's, there is no CO.
Yes.
That is an ether, okay? Question number 6. Question number 6 is there for you. Benzoquinone, I think they get the answer.
Yes. Benzoquinone prepared by...
Benzoquinone can prepare from phenol by treating with the chromic acid and H2SO4,
Yes.
which is the chromic acid part. I think this time is
Yeah, we are giving so much hint.
time, so much hint. Still, if mistakes happen, okay, please don't do it. Okay, 3, 2, 1, time up, and the answer is Yes, this time, yes, we are
Only
okay.
one have made a mistake. Rest everybody has made it correct.
Thank you all. Thank you all.
Excellent, excellent.
61. This is the first question.
Yes.
A majority are answering the correct answer. Only one mistakes happen. Okay, no problem. Yes. Benzoquinone getting from Na2Cr2O7. Number 7. Question number 7.
Yeah, after 7th question, you can see the leaderboard.
Okay. Let's take half of the questions over. Who is leading there?
Yes.
It's one of the easiest question.
Yeah, methyl alcohol is industrially prepared by the action of.
And I think some students are missing this portion also. There is one page here, methanol and ethanol. The commercial preparation is there. You know, invertase, zymase, etc.
Yes.
Don't leave it. Okay, this year methyl alcohol is industrially preparing from 3, 2, 1.
Time up.
Time up. And the answer is 37.
Yes. So those who made it wrong, please correct it. Remember that it is by the mixture of CO and H2.
Please read, okay. Industrial preparation of methanol and ethanol is there in textbook. Please study it. Yes.
I think after 7 questions, let's see who is rocking. Vijay is rocking in the first place.
Vijay, congratulations, okay. And Shruti is in second position.
Yes.
Kester, Anandita, Saumya, Eldo, Hridul, Tanzila. Okay, Arpendo. Okay, Shreya, Mritul, Patmarshan. Okay, dears.
Yes.
You have one more chance.
Yes. We have 8 more questions. Let's see how will this change.
Let's fight with the first 3 guys. Okay, take care about them. Okay, next one. And the first 3 guys, please be in the same position also and come up with the top number. Ether is obtained from ethyl alcohol in the presence of H2SO4 at.
Very important. At 2 different temperatures, you get 2 different products.
Its mechanism also we are studying. 400 and or 443. I think majority answer will be 443 or 430 because other 2 are unfamiliar temperature.
Yes.
Okay, time's up. Let's check the answer, sir. Yes, okay.
Yes. B or C. So it is 413 Kelvin, you get ether. 443 will be alkene, ethene.
This is dehydration, DS. Okay, 443 means dehydration.
Yes.
Number 10, question number 10. Question 9. Which of the following polymer is stored in the liver of animals? One of the easiest question.
Yes.
Those who are making mistake in this question will beat. Okay?
Yes, definitely. This is also called animal starch.
Animal starch, and which is stored in our liver, muscles and brain. If it is not there in our brain, don't give a wrong answer in this one. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Yes, time is up. Let's see. Okay, only 6 people made mistake. Rest 53 had made it correctly.
Okay.
It is glycogen. Glycogen is the storage reservoir, or there is polysaccharide in animals, and in plants it is starch. It's a very important question.
So glycogen is called as what? Yes, animal starch, which is found in liver, muscles and brain.
Yes.
Moving to question number 10th one. Yes.
Yeah.
Which of the following acid is a vitamin? They given some acid's name here, which is the vitamin.
This is also a very, very important question if you have gone through the textbook thoroughly.
It's there in our vitamin table.
Yes, the table.
Some of the vitamin mention their name. 2024 they were asked what is the other name of vitamin B1.
Yes.
Majority of them stuck because they only studied their deficiency causes.
Yes.
It's thiamine. Okay, so the answer, let's check it, sir. The answer is again 48 are answering ascorbic acid. Yes,
That
which is vitamin C. Ascorbic acid here. Okay, that's a vitamin C. I think 48 students are prepared. Yes, they are consistently prepared. They have a good stuff about the board exam. Okay, question number 11 for you.
Which of the following statements is not true about glucose? So think everything about glucose.
Glucose is a aldohexose.
Yes.
Glucose giving so much test. Glucose do not respond some of the test.
Yes.
And glucose, lot of structure determination we studied. Glucose we made into the ring form.
Yes, and that ring has a name.
the glucopyranose, the alpha D glucose, beta D glucose.
Yes.
Okay, everything is
Time
over.
up. Let's see.
Let's see that answer is
Yes, 47 again made it correct.
It is
Yes.
present in
Furanose. Furanose is for fructose. Glucose is pyranose.
pyranose form.
Yes.
Last year question here, draw the structure of alpha D glucopyranose.
Yes.
Please study to understand the have-ortho representation also.
Yeah.
Drawing. Number 12. Question number 12. Which of the following is not true about amino acids? Not true about amino acids. Those who are reading NCERT textbook line by line,
Yes.
or those who are seriously preparing PYQ, they only can able to answer
Yes.
this question.
I think this will have less number of correct answers.
Let's see
Let's
those
see.
49 that good stuff is there. No, let's see whether the stuff is here or not.
Yes.
Option. Okay, let's check the answer.
Yes.
Here
As
is gone.
expected. So here they are all constituents. They are constituents of all proteins. That's correct. Alanine having one amino and one carboxylic group. That is correct because it's a neutral amino acid. Most naturally occurring amino acids have D configuration.
Which is L configuration, yes.
It is L configuration. So that
Naturally
is-
occurring amino acids having L configuration. Please understand the point. Please keep in mind.
So next question.
Okay, 13th question. Yes. The melting point of amino acids are higher than the corresponding halo acids because.
This also, I'm sure those who have read the textbook and done the POIQs will only be able to answer it correctly. Let's see.
Some mistakes can happen. You just understand whether our prediction is also correct or not. Okay,
Yes.
we are not blindly saying whether our prediction is also correct or not. You check, please. Melting point of amino acids are higher than the corresponding halo acid.
Yes, time is up.
Okay,
Oh, this
46.
time 46 have made it correct.
So this time,
Yes, even if our predictions went wrong, we are so happy about it that
Yeah.
everybody is so confident.
this
about
is brilliant. This
Yes.
is brilliant. Yes, melting point of amino acids are higher because they exist in what Zwitter ionic form because it is dipolar. So there is a dipole strong interaction which causes high melting point. Please try to study the structure of the Zwitter ion and all.
Yes.
Okay,
We'll
we are
move
moving
to
to
the next question.
the second last question, 14th question. All be ready? All denaturation of protein leads to
Loss of its biological activity by denaturation. When
here
it-
also. You see all of you 2 bar will be in a top level. Okay,
Yes.
just check it. Let's
Yeah, it
identify.
might be balanced.
Yeah. Denaturation of protein leads to loss of its biological activity by 3, 2, 1 over, and the answer is
Here also
Here
they
also.
broke our expectations. Come on. You guys are doing really good.
Good.
We're happy that our predictions are getting wrong.
that's the only one thing we need. Okay, we are happy. Denaturation of protein. We expected this bar also come little
Yes,
up.
yes.
Not because of primary structure here, due to the lack of secondary and tertiary structures. You know the what is denaturation? What are the changes are happening there?
Primary structure will not be affected.
Okay. So we are moving to our last
question.
and final question in 2026 MCQ, which is
What are
Okay.
the hydrolysis products of lactose?
easiest question.
Yes.
Easiest question.
Come on, quickly answer.
What are the hydrolysis product of whether it is alpha, beta, okay, the maltose, lactose, all the disaccharide, you know what is the monosaccharide present inside, which is, I think those who are answering here, they could not able to join in the Mendi, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, time's up, dears. The answer is 49.
Yes. Very good.
Beta D galactose and beta D glucose. What about maltose? Both are alpha D
Alpha D
glucose.
glucose.
What about sucrose? Alpha D glucose and beta D
Beta D fructose.
fructose. I think we can decide who is the
Yes.
winner this answer.
Let's see in the leaderboard who is coming on the top.
Who will be the winner? Those who are 100% strong. Yes, I am the winner. Can you say yes? I am the winner. Those who sincerely feel like that, those students, you can comment in the chat box now.
Yes, yes. I think Rihan Nesreen, please, what is the doubt? Please post it. We are not able to understand what you're asking. Yes, sir, I think we can...
Soul.
Yeah,
Okay.
let's wait for that. But we can have the leaderboard open.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, still Vijay is in the first position. Yes, we are really...
Congrats, Vijay, congrats. And we have other students.
Second position, Anandita. Third position, Shruti, Eldo, Kester, Padmavarshan, Arpendu, Neha, Shakti, Shreya, Soumya, Shreya Sanjay, Santosh, Reem, Aisha, Yug, Mridul, Zainab Samir, Kester.
Yes.
Okay, many are there.
All of you have done really well and your scores are really good. And what we expect is from these questions, whatever mistakes you made, you have to learn from that and improvise and bring us hundreds. 100 out of 100 in board examination of chemistry. That is what we want. So everybody who is participating today has given a really excellent performance, you know, in the participation in questions and also the quiz, and we are very happy about that.
Very happy about it. So last 4 days, 4 days we conducted this almost all chapter revisions like this, and you may get some new informations and which all are the most important area. Still, we are not going to stop our discussion. Tomorrow is our mock exam, and day after tomorrow we are coming with a Maha Marathon 3.0, and let's just 1 minute all we can discuss what is the, we are just not conducting a simple class, okay, that you can understand from last 2023 2024 and 2025 Maha Marathon what we did. That is the same thing, same question already you can see in the YouTube.
Yes.
So before attending next marathon revision, please watch the 2025 marathon revision. You will get an overall idea about the chapter.
Yes.
And this year we will be discussing about which all area you have to be more focused this year, how to present the paper,
yes,
because some the valuation also they are making some different way. No confusion, no worries, no tension. Let's make everything beautifully, yes, and we are ready with everything.
Yes, and even we are making some predictions also about the questions so that it will help you in the board exam. And the last Marathon Lives link we'll be sharing in the WhatsApp group, yes, so that you can watch.
Definitely, yes. Just around 4 hours you can continue. Which all questions are okay, speed up. Which all are unknown questions, stop it. Because lot of explanations are there, not just a discussion of questions, okay. Yes. And this is not actually our final Menti quiz. In our marathon revision also.
Yes, we'll have 3 Menti quiz.
Yeah, for physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry. We will be having that. So don't forget, day after tomorrow, 1 p.m. we all will be here. You please be here. We want to make 28th morning a pleasant day with a top result.
Yes, everybody will be walking out of the exam hall with smiling faces.
Okay, all.
So we can see all of them day after tomorrow.
Okay, see you all. Bye.
Bye.
Hi everyone. Welcome to
amazing channel of Brilliant Katha.
When you're rubbing one body with another body, electrons are transferred from one object to another object. Okay, this process, this type of electricity is been given a name.
Halogen connected carbon sp3, then it's connected to benzene. See all of you, halogen connected. What is this carbon hybridization? Full single bond sp3, see then a benzene ring.
Denominator poles shouldn't be included in the denominator poles. That means the denominator, these -1 and -5 should never be included in the solution.
Homocircle caudal fin. It's giving 2 equal lobes. But in case of cartilage fishes, look at here, one big lobe is there, one small lobe is there. You cannot cut into 2 equal half this fin.
brilliant cutter.